Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. Thanks for coming back. I wanted to come on here tonight. Well, it's night actually. I haven't filmed at night, maybe once. I just wanted to go over something quick with you. I've noticed something recently. I see people making junk journals. They make the cover and then they decorate all their pages before they put them in the book, before they sew in the signatures, which I don't think would work out too well. Because as you can see, this is the one we're working on now, the blue plaid journal, and it is a little chunky already. All these tabs sticking out of these pages I'm working on. So I don't think I'm going to add too much more to this book, because if I add any more, it's really going to have alligator mouth. Whereas if you had waited to sew in your signature until you were done with your pages to finish decorating them, you wouldn't know how thick they were going to be. And we tend to overdo the decorating sometimes. We put in really thick clusters and pockets and all sorts of things, tags. And then if you were to try to sew it in, you would have a lot of difficulty. I don't think I could sew in the signature with everything attached. I would have a lot of trouble. I just wanted to give you a heads up on maybe make your cover, make your spine, however thick you want to make it, and then sew in your pages before you decorate them. Otherwise you may end up taking it apart and making a new cover to fit all the pages. Now if you do sewing on the pages, those pages I would do ahead of time before you sew them in, but not all the pages. You can see here, this one I put 2 signatures in. This one is a good thickness, but I did sew in my signatures before I decorated it. This is the one with the lace on the edges. This was the blue journal. This was the neutral journal, which even this one got a little bit too chunky, but it's good this way. It's not too, when I open it up, it does pop up a little bit, but not bad. I don't like when they open up all the way. Here was the pink journal. I don't think you ever saw the cover finished. This one I put glitter on the flower, and I attached the charm, and I put some glossy accent on the little bubbles. But this one also, when I open it, no, this one's not bad. This one's a good size. This one has the paper lace on the edges, the pink journal. Alright, so that's all I was going to do tonight. I'm going to be back very soon, probably tomorrow. We're going to finish decorating the few more pages I'm going to do. I'm really not going to do a lot more. I've added a few things. We have a couple more pockets I'll put in, maybe 1 or 2. But that's about it. We have quite a few pockets in here already. So I'll be back probably tomorrow. We'll finish up all the decorating. And then I have to figure out what sort of a closure I want on here, if any. I'm not sure. This is the one with the pocket on the front, where you can actually put something in there. Okay, so I hope you have a good night, and I'll probably be back tomorrow. Please subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified when the new video is up, the next one. And also please hit the like button. That helps me get more views on YouTube, which helps me grow. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.